friends, today once again I am before you with a new topic of our Learn Easy Maths channel. Friends, as you know that in our previous videos we have discussed on many more topics related to mathematics. Today our new topic is HCF. HCF, that means highest common factor. Highest common factor. What does it mean? What is highest, what is common, and what is a factor? As I told in my previous videos, what is a factor? A factor is a number which divides the given number completely. When we divide a number to another number, it gives a remainder to the zero. Then we can say that that divisor is the factor of that dividend. So highest, and it should be common. Just for that perfect illustration before you, I am going to take one example. Just look at carefully. 18 and 24. So I have taken the two integers, the two numbers. First, to find the HCF, there are many more methods are there. In today's video, I am going to discuss before you the main three methods of finding a HCF. The first method is factorization. Factorization. Okay. What is this method implies? First, factorize the given integers or number. I factorize and I divide it 2 9s are, then 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So 18 is being factorized with the number 2, 3, 3 and 1. Similarly, you factorize 24, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are and 3 1s are. Can you able to see that 18 and 24 is factorized? What I do further know, I take 18 and list out all the factors of this factorization. The factorization number of these 18 is 2, 3, 3 and 1. Similarly, list out all the factors of 24. 2, 2, 2, 3 and 1. So I have listed out the factors of 18 and 24. What I do further know, as the name itself indicates that it is a common factor. So I have to choose the common factor from both the given numbers. 18 and 24, what are the common factors? The first common factor is 2. The next common factor is 3 and it is 1. Are you able to see? Here 2, 2 are in common in pair, 3, 3 are common in pair, 1 and 1 are common in pair. What about this 3? 3 and 2 are not in common pair. And this 2 is separately, it is not in common pair. Which are the common pair that I am going to write here? 2 is in common pair, 3 is in pair and 1 is in pair. So the common factors for both the given numbers are 2, 3, 1. So for this one, the HCF of this one will be, I multiply this 2 into 3 into 1. 2 3s are 6, 6 1s are 6. So the HCF of 18 and 24 are is equal to 6. This is one method. I hope you understand it clearly. Now for the same number 18 and 24, the next very popular and also is one of the standard method in finding the HCF is that method is called prime factorization method. We must remember it clearly, it is a prime factorization method. In this method also, the name itself indicates, prime means what? The prime numbers is going to factorize the given numbers. Here there is little bit difference between this method and this method. Here we have taken 18 and 24 individually, separately, and then we factorize it. But we need not to take separate, we have to take combining. 18 and 24 are taken at a time simultaneously. Then now you start factorizing with prime numbers. The first least prime number is 2. Then factorize it. 2 nines are and 2 12s are. I divide it. Okay. Then next, the 3 is a prime number, because the condition in this prime factorization is when you take one number, it should divide the complete given numbers. 2 must divide 18 and 24 at a time. 3 must divide 9 and 12. That is 3 3s are and 3 4s are. Okay. And if I take another number here, 3 and 4, which are co-prime, that means there is no common factor other than 1. 4 is a even, 3 is an odd, 3 is an odd, also a prime, and 4 is a composite. That's why we say such type of numbers are called co-prime. Remember that the common factor between two given numbers is only 1, none other than any factor. That type of numbers are called co-prime numbers. Therefore, it is 1 3s and 1 4s. Now, take out all the factors which is factorized. 2 into 3 into 1. 2 3s are 6, 6 1s are 6. Again, the HCF of 18 and 24 by the method of prime factorization, we got it is 6. Alright. Now, the third method is, what is the third method? It is a division method. This method is based on the division. It's very simple. See, in factorization method, I have taken the example of 18 and 24. So as in factorization, prime factorization method is also the same thing. And now for division method also, I am going to take the same numbers, 18 and 24. Here, take one number and divide to another. So 18 is the smallest number. So 24, I will take it for 18 divides 24. One number divides another. Then what? How do you just divide it? 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36 is not possible because 24 is less than 36. So 18 ones are 18. Subtract. What do you get? You get 6 as the remainder. Okay. For this 6, you take 18 as a quotient. No, sorry, divisor as dividend, and remainder become the divisor. Here 18 is divisor, 24 is dividend, and 6 is a remainder. Now for the further next division, 6 will be the divisor and the divisor will become the dividend. Okay. Then 6 3s are 18 and the remainder is 0. And further we don't have any scope or chance to divide. So we got the remainder 0. The last divisor of this division will be 6. Therefore HCF is equal to 6. This is the division method. Once again, I just repeat it so that you can understand well. 18 divides 24. 18 ones are 18. 24 minus 18 is 6. And 6 divides this 18 again. 6 3 is 18. Remainder is 0. So where you obtain the 0, where you reach the remainder as 0, that divisor will be the HCF of the given number. Hope you understand it very clearly. Now, there are certain important tricks and also some important note I would like to just present before you. What are that one? As you know that, and for further I would like to just give one more example for that one. So take 24 and it is 36. Find the HCF by factorization method. Factorize it separately. 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are, then again it is 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are. As usual in my previous example, what I told and I just explained before you, list out the factors of 24, which is factorized 2, 2, 2, 3 and 1. Similarly, list out the factors of 36. What are the factors of 36 is 2 and 2. This is 3, 3 and 1. Then as it is a highest common factor, we are going to find the common factors in pair. These 2 2 are in pair, these 2 2 are in pair, these 3 3 are in pair and 1 1 are in pair. So list out 2 2 is in one pair, this 2 2 is also in pair, this 3 3 is in pair and 1 1 is in pair. So we have paired out the common factor. 2 is a common factor, 2 is a common factor, 3 is a common factor, 1 is. Obviously 2 and 3 they are not in pair, that's why they are not in common pair factors. Further, now you divide this. How now? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 1s are 12. So what is the HCF of this one? The HCF of 24 and 36 is 12. Okay. Now we come to the prime factorization method. I explained and I remind you once again. I repeated that for prime factorization method, you need not to factorize separately. You have to take simultaneously at a time. Now this is 2 12s and it is 2 18s. Again it is 2 6s and again it is 2 9s. Alright. Then which is the number, next prime number going to divide simultaneously? 3 2s and 3 3s. As you know that 2 and 3 are co-prime, and 2 and 3 are the prime numbers which do not have a common factor other than 1. Therefore we stop the division and we start multiplying these factors. 2 multiplies 2 multiplies 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. The HCF of the given number 24 and 36 is 12. The next is division method. 24 and 36. Divide one number to another. How? The smaller number should divide a bigger number. What is the bigger number? 36. And what is the smaller number? 24. 24 divides 36. 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 48. But 48 is less than 36, that is a dividend. Therefore we take 24 ones are 24. Alright. Now 36 minus 24 on subtraction we get a remainder 12. And this remainder further it becomes a divisor, and divisor will become a dividend for the next division. Okay. Then 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, where we arrive at the final division, that is we obtain the remainder 0. Then this 12 will be the HCF of 24 and 36. HCF will be 12. This is the method of division, this is the method of prime factorization, and this is the method of factorization. I hope you understood this. So remember that the HCF of even and odd is always 1. The HCF of the prime numbers is always 1. HCF of V1 we can say that it is a co-prime numbers. So they are always 1. I hope with this you understand well. Once again, it's my sincere request to you all viewers. Please share the videos and just share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Subscription is not only the criteria. After the subscription, you must just as soon as you receive the notification, you must keep on watching and share it and spread it, so that the knowledge is flourished and it should reach to all the minds, and they can attain and they can achieve a success. With this, I am going to end up my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye bye.